Welcome to Summarize Science, where we explore the latest breakthroughs in technology and education. Learning to program is a challenge that millions of people take on every year, but getting stuck on a logic error can be incredibly frustrating. When you hit a wall, you often need an example to show you the way, but not all examples are created equal. Traditionally, students rely on fixed libraries of examples that might not actually address the specific mistake they just made. Instructors often do not have the time to write a unique tutorial for every single student in a large class. The researchers behind this paper propose a way to bridge this gap using the power of large language models. They developed a system that generates personalized, worked examples on demand based on what a student has actually written. This means the tutorial you receive is tailored to your own code, focusing on the areas where you are actually struggling. The key to this personalization is something called knowledge components. Knowledge components are like the building blocks of programming logic, such as how to loop through a list or how to check a condition. By analyzing the structure of a student's code using advanced tools, the system can pinpoint exactly which of these blocks are causing confusion. This allows the AI to ground its generation in the constructs the student is actively trying to use. The process involves looking at common patterns across many different students and turning those into human-readable descriptions. These descriptions are then fed into the AI as constraints to guide the creation of a new, relevant lesson. The goal is to ensure the AI doesn't just give a generic answer, but one that targets the student's specific misunderstanding. In this study, experts compared these personalized AI lessons against standard AI-generated ones to see which was more effective. The experts used a detailed rubric to score the quality, correctness, and relevance of the lessons. The results showed that the personalized lessons were significantly better at addressing the students' actual misconceptions. As you can see in this example, the AI can identify a specific issue like Boolean operator precedence. It then generates a custom problem that requires using those same logic symbols correctly. The AI provides a step-by-step breakdown, explaining how to use parentheses to group logic in a way that is easy for a novice to follow. One of the biggest wins was that these personalized examples were rated as much more novice-friendly. This suggests that by focusing on specific patterns, the AI becomes a better teacher rather than just a code generator. Even when students made complex errors, the system was able to maintain high accuracy and clarity. To recap the main points, the researchers found that identifying code patterns allows AI to create far more relevant educational content. This approach helps students overcome logical hurdles by providing explanations that are directly tied to their current level of understanding. It solves the problem of teachers not being able to provide one-on-one help to every single student. In the future, this technology could mean that every student has access to a private digital tutor that understands their unique way of thinking. This represents a massive step toward making high-quality, personalized education available to everyone at scale. Thank you for watching Summarize Science, and we will see you in the next discovery.